All right, so because this is in vertex form, we can go back and look at that original vertex form, and we have x plus 1 squared minus 4. So remember our h, it says negative h, so this becomes negative 1, and out here is negative 4. So there's your answer. All right, so you just found your vertex, and then you can graph it from there, and we'll talk about graphing in another video. So let's give one more example, and actually this example is from number 9 from the study guide, and I showed you how to do it one way, but I'm showing you another way right now. So let's look at f of x, all right, equals x squared plus 6x plus 20. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing that we did up here. We're going to group our x squared and our x. So we're going to put a parenthesis around x squared plus 6x, parenthesis right there, plus 20. All right, and then remember, we are going to need to complete the square right here. So remember that we're going to take 6 divided by 2, and we're going to square it. So remember that 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared, which we know equals 9. So let's come back over here, and we're going to say, okay, well, x squared plus 6x plus 9 goes inside your parenthesis because you just completed the square. Outside you have plus 20, but you need to like balance your equation. So remember, if you added 9 here, you have to subtract 9 over here to cancel it. So now let's simplify this. Remember, we need to get it into this formula. So we need to have x, and then we're going to look at our b term, which was 6. And remember, for this time, we're just going to take 6 and divide it by 2. We're not going to square it, and we know that equals 3. So we have x plus 3 squared is what this comes out to. And then we have to take 20 minus 9, which we know equals 11. Okay, so now this is in vertex form. So now our vertex, okay, is very simple because remember, this is our vertex formula, and it's a negative h. So we have to make this a negative 3. And then it's going to be a positive 11. And there's your vertex. So now you can graph it. Excellent. Good job. So hopefully that made it easier for you. All right, bye-bye.